Welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're preparing lunch and I'm making a healthy chickpea salad, and I'm going to serve that with a boiled egg and some garlic breadsticks. So if you want to see how I prepare this one, just keep on watching. And here's a run through of the ingredients. I'm using red onion, parsley, garlic, bell pepper, tomato, cucumber, carrot, and of course my tin chickpeas. And we're going to slice all the ingredients very fine except the carrot and the cucumber. And the steps are self-explanatory, so I'll catch you further on in the video. Please keep on watching.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Okay guys, to make our vinaigrette or our dressing, we're going to need lime or lemon juice, olive oil, some balsamic sauce. I'm going to use some Italian season, black pepper, a little vinegar, a little sugar, a little salt. And the ingredients will be on the screen. And guys, I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot. And for those coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button, putting your bell on. In that way you won't miss another upload. And just keep on watching guys. I'll catch you at the end of the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Quick tip, guys, for the dressing or the vinaigrette. You can definitely add it in a small container and bring it along with you. But for me, it was almost lunchtime for me when leaving home, so I already just mixed mine. And the garlic breadsticks, they were made in the air fryer. And there is lunch, guys. Very easy, healthy version of lunch today. So if you enjoy this one, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below. So just a quick reminder, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And to all my loyal supporters, respect you guys a lot. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.